Hello everybody. So I finally got my hands on this job 2017 Ford Escape 2.0 Turbo. So according to the instructions, the engine's got to come off from the bottom, so I'm doing it from the top. So I disconnect a few things like thermostat housing, which goes here, the alternator and the bracket and AC from the bottom, and right here in the middle is the oil cooler adapter or the oil adapter. And right here I removed the latch, put it out of my way, and right here is part of the engine, is what is holding the whole thing. So I was able to put the high pressure system for the AC on the bottom, and I disconnect everything. So right here is going to be a little bit tight, but I can pull this way. I need like 2 inches, so I got plenty on this side, so I'm going to pull it. I'm going to pull this side, so I think I got it. So let's see. Sorry for the scanner, it's not mine, it's the guy next door. And voila, we got it. So it's right there. The oil filter adapter. It's only 4 bolts. 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. The AC compressor adapter. Right here goes the alternator, the AC compressor, thermostat housing, or water bypass. I removed this water bypass also because and the new engine is broken. So there's a turbo. Pretty much I disconnect everything, and right here on the turbo booster, vacuum booster, I disconnected. I was very careful because on the new engine it came broken, so that's what happened. So right here I disconnect the motor mount and disconnect this pulley, and that's it. And also disconnect the harmonic balancer. But on the new one I'm gonna have to be very careful because this is pressing and I don't want to damage anything or push the timing or anything like that, the timing chain. So right here I just disconnect all the crap. So you got to be very careful. And on the transmission, as you guys can see, I put a seal on the housing. That's the old fluid, and the fluid is very, very dark. So if I was following the instructions, I gotta mess with the cross member, with the transmission and all the crap. So that's why I decided to go this route. So I just disconnect all the hoses, the cooling hoses, the AC, and on the back, those two bolts for the turbo, they were pain. They were tight. But everything went smooth, as you guys can see. So I was thinking to remove the front end, but there's so much fastener, so much hassle. And it's like, you know what, I'm just gonna see if I can get it out from this side, like this now. So the engine is out. I'm going to get the other one out. I mean, I gotta move the other one. I gotta bring it over here and go from there. So I gotta transfer all the parts, make sure everything is good, and maybe later I can show you. I can show you this car. I gotta do a head gasket. So okay, I see you guys next time. Bye.